Hello all, I am Dr. Pravas. In today's class, we will discuss about the liveness analysis. Means one example of liveness analysis. So we have already discussed about how to means how to analyze a variable is live or not in the previous class. Okay. So today we'll discuss about one examples of liveness analysis. Okay, see here. Try to understand the question. Consider the control flow graph. Consider the control flow graph. How many how many how many common variables? How many common variables are live? How many common variables are live between B2 and B3 blocks? Between B2 and B3 blocks. So how many common variables are live between B2 and B3 blocks? First, we'll try to understand the control flow graph. Say, this is one of the control flow graph. In the control flow graph, this is one of the control flow graph. In the given control flow graph, there are 4 blocks: B1 block, B2 block, B3 block, and B4 block. But here questions are asking, but how many common variables are live between B2 and B3 block? So here B2 block and B3 block. Between B2 and B3 block, how many common variables are live? So we just consider only 2 blocks, here B2 and B3. We don't consider some other blocks like B1 and B4. We only consider the B2 and B3 block. Okay. So this is the table. In the table, how many common means how many, in the upper part, here we have written the upper parts, the unique variables in the control flow graph, like what? P, Q, R, S, V, U, like this. And there are 2 in the left side. 2, 3 means what? This is like B2 block, this is like B2 block, and this is like what? B3 block. Because we'll consider only B2 and B3 blocks. Okay, how many common variables are live in B2 and B3 block? Okay, so say first we will consider the B2 block. In the B2 block, here in the B2 block, how many variables are live? The first part, R and U, both are live. R and U, R is live and U is live. Okay, so in the B2 block, R and U, because R and U both are present on the RHS part of B2 block or B2 statement, we can say. Then we'll check in the second part, we'll check what B is live or not. First, we'll check what B is live or not. Just see, in B2 block there is no P on the RHS part. That means we'll check below parts, just like SJ part. So which one is SJ? Just see, from B2 to B4, we'll directly go from B2 to what? B4. But in B4 there is no P on RHS part. From B4 to directly we'll go what? B4 to B1, directly we'll go. In B4 to B1, but in B1, where is P on the RHS part? S1 P on the RHS part. So now we'll check what? B2 to B1. Yes, of course there is a path. Then we'll check the new definition. Where is the new definition? Yes, P is used on the LHS part of before SJ, or we can say above of the given statement, like what? This statement. Above of the statement, P is used. P is used on the LHS part. That means P is there. Okay. Now we'll see what? Q. Now we'll see Q. So Q is live. Just see, Q does not present on B2 part, means RHS part. Where is Q? From B2 to B4. B4 there is no Q. Then we'll go from B4 to where? B1, where is Q? S1 Q is on the RHS part. Okay. Since one Q is on the RHS part, Q is on the RHS part. So now we'll check path. Obviously, there is a path. Now we'll check what, where each Q is present on the LHS part. Means above the given statement means this statement. Yes, we'll check. Okay, just see. In the Q it does not present in the given statement, but here will not stop, because in the above statement, that means we'll again return from B1 to B4, where S Q is present. That means we can write like this: what? P equals to, sorry, Q plus R, S equals to P plus Q, U equals to A star B. Above of the given statement means we just return back. Means B1 to B4. B4 means which statement is there? So Q equals to B plus R. So we just got Q here, but yes, there is a new definition. Q is present on the LHS part. That means Q is dead. In this way, we'll say. Now we'll say S. Okay. Where is S is present? Just say there is no S on the RHS part. Then B2 to B4. There is no S on the RHS part. B4 to will go B1. There is no S. But here there is one S. Above S is present on the LHS part. Since S is present on the LHS part, so S is dead. Then B. So see, where is B? B, there is no B on B2 RHS part. S, but in B2 then we'll go B2 to B4. S1 B is present on the RHS part of B4. But it's above. That means here we can write what? B equals to R plus CU. Then Q equals to B plus R. We can write like this. It's above means just return back. We just return back here. So Q equals to B plus R. We just got B on the RHS part. But there is a path, yes, B2 to B4. Obviously there is a path, but there is a new definition. B means we just return back to here. So B is present on the above of the statement means LHS part. So B is there. In this way, we can analyze. Okay, now okay, now we'll say in B3 block. In B3 block, which one is live? In the first part, S is live and U is live. Just say S is live and U is live. Okay. So now we'll see what P is live or not. First, there is no P on the RHS part of B3. That means we'll check on below. Below B3 block. So that means we'll go from B3 to B4. Is there P? No P. But B, then we'll go from B4 to B1. Where is P? S1 P is there. But its definition, there is one new definition in the LHS part. That means P is dead. Okay. Next, Q. So see, Q. There is no Q on the RHS part means on B3 block. Then we'll go to B4. There is no Q on the RHS part. Then we'll go to B4 to B1. S1 Q is there. 1 Q is on the RHS part. But in the above of Q, in the above of Q. That means we'll return back to before versus one new definition of Q. That means Q is dead. Now we'll see R. Where is R? There is no R. B3 there is no R present on the RHS part of B3. From B3 to then we'll go to B4. S1 R is there. Then okay, then we'll check the new definition. But there is no B4 to, we'll just reverse back and B3. There is no R on Q. There is no R on Q. That means what? R is live. R is live. Then we'll check V. Then we'll check V here. There is no V on the RHS part. Then B3 to B4 will go. S1 R is there here in the RHS part. Now we'll check what? Now we'll check the new definition. V. Just return back to here. There is no V. There is no V. Since there is no V on the LHS part, so V is live. Okay, in this way we can fill or we can analyze which variable is live and which variable is dead in control flow graph. Okay, so what is the question actually? How many common variables are live between B2 and B3 block? How many common variables? Just see, this is one common variable live and this is one common variable live. That means R and U. In this way we can analyze. Okay, in the next class we'll discuss about one more example of liveness analysis. Okay, thanks for watching.